In this video, we are going to look at how to set up inputs in PowerZone Control. You have your analog inputs. This is a 4-channel amplifier. On our 2- and 4-channel amplifiers, we have 4 analog inputs. And you have SP-diff. If the amplifier has Dante, you have Dante. You have mixers. So you can mix the inputs together, and you have a generator. I will show you later. First, give your input a name. So in this case, I will name it iPad. You can tell the system if it's in mono or in stereo. In this example, it's stereo. Make sure that you have enough input signal. Here, when it's an iPad, I would probably set it to -10 dB. You can set it to microphone, -10, +4, or +14 dBu. But it can handle a signal all the way up to 24 dBu. If you can see that you have too much input, you can adjust the gain. For this scenario, I have a little too much. So you can either use the slider here, or you can type in directly what you would like to have. It's possible to EQ your input. If you want to EQ, you click Edit. And then you will have a 5-band equalizer. You can turn the equalizers on if you need more than one. And you can choose which type of equalizer you would like to use. Give the next input a name. For this example, it could be a microphone. If it's a microphone, you can use the 100 Hz high-pass filter, and you can see that it's already set here in the equalizer. If it's a microphone, set it to microphone. The 4th input, that could be a paging microphone. Again, put on a high-pass filter and set it to microphone. If you need to adjust the gain, adjust the gain. You can use either the unbalanced input or the balanced input, but don't use both of them at the same time. Then we have the digital input called SP-diff. Again, give it a name. Here, it could be a streaming box. Choose if the input is in mono or stereo, and you have the possibility to adjust the gain. If the amplifier includes Dante, then you will have 4 Dante inputs and you will have 4 Dante outputs. You can do the same thing here. Give it a name and choose if it's in stereo or mono. Everything that you present to the amplifier of analog inputs, SP-diff, and Dante will be shown in the mixers. In this case, it's a 4-channel amplifier. So you will have 4 mixers. Turn up for each and one of the inputs that you would like to mix together. In this case, I will turn up the iPad and microphone number 1, and they will be mixed together. I can give it a name called iPad plus microphone. If you would like to make another mix, you can do that. You can turn up for the input you would like to mix. In this example, the microphone and the streaming box. Now those two are mixed together, and we can give that another name. Stream Plus microphone. If you would like to adjust the gain for each and one of the inputs, you can do this. In this case, the microphone will be a little bit louder than the streamer. You also have generators. You have a pink noise generator, and you have a sine generator. You can turn up the volume, the gain for each, and you can choose the frequency. For the pink noise generator, you can adjust the high-pass and low-pass filter. If the speaker can't go as low as 20 Hz, you can input the number you would like it to have yourself. So now we have given all our analog inputs a name. We have told the amplifier if it was in stereo or mono. We have set the input sensitivity. We have adjusted the gain. Maybe use the equalizer. The same thing with the SP diff. Maybe the Dante. And we have used our mixers. We are now finished with our input settings. Thank you for watching.